It's really not a hard thing to do. And when I talk about the window trim, I've already replaced it in this car, and I'll walk you through it, and the part numbers will be listed in the video description. While I was waiting to get my Alpha 1 systems, I installed these just to make up for it a little bit and try to piece together the really poor sound quality in this car overall with the hi-fis. So we're going to take the door card off. I'll show you how to take that trim off. So let's get started. So your door card is held on by a series of T20s. There's two underneath that you'll feel right here. You reach underneath, you'll feel the grooves for two of them, here and here, front and rear. So you'll want to take those out. Then you're going to want to take your handle trim off. What I usually do, I'll take a plastic trim tool, find the little notch here on the underside, get the tool in, and then twist. And then you'll get this lead edge that pops out right here. Now, if these have never been off before, these can be really stiff. And yeah, they're going to make kind of popping noises as you go. And you're just going to walk through and slowly walk this off like that. And it will get itself free of the handle just like that, because there are two additional screws here and here that we're going to want to pull out. Okay, so go ahead and pull out 1, 2, 3, 4 of those T20s. And I'm going to walk you getting the rest of the door card off. All right, so once those four screws are out, 1, 2, 3, 4, your door card is just held on by a series of plastic pins that go into the metal all the way around the outside. So what I'll normally do is I'll take a plastic trim tool, get in here to a low edge on this side, normally in a place where you can't see it or see it very well. So you get that in, you can see the plastic trim tool is in, then you take a larger one and get in, use that to gap in, and then just pop it. So you just work your way around, and you can just work your way up. And if you've never had a door card off before, it's going to make popping noises and different things that you're not used to. That's not you breaking things, and those plastic rivets are coming out of the metal. So you just pop out across this lead edge, and you lift up to get up and away over the door pin. So let me get this pulled out, and I'll show you what the cabling on the back looks like. All right, so once you pull the door card away from the door, you want to take the Bowden cable, pull it out of its clip, pull up and away, and then the Bowden cable will come loose. Now you also have your wiring harness on this side, and now this is going to look a little bit different than your average X1, and I'll explain that in a second. But you have your window switches right here, which is a little horseshoe. So you depress on the little tab, rock the gray collar back, and then this will come out. You can walk it off its clip right here, just like that. We've got another one up here at the top, and we've got another one here. The one here in the middle is a squeeze, and just gently wiggle, and it'll come loose. Pull this off this post right here, and then you can get up here to the top right here. Little blue cable, take that and wiggle that free, okay? So now your door card is loose, you can take it and set it aside.